If your website is an AdSense base, it is crucial to understand your high CPC and low CPC keywords, because at the end of the month, how much you can expect to make from Google AdSense. What kind of CPC keywords you are using makes a huge difference. If you regularly observe, you can see, despite the fact that not all websites go live at the same time, they all earn a lot of money. A website's revenue is again somewhat major. CPC is primarily to blame for this income variation. This is the website that will function with high cost per click keywords. That website will generate more revenue, and the website that utilize low CPC keywords, that website's revenue will be substantially lower. Thus, using high CPC keywords will increase your earnings. This post was written primarily for that reason. So, if Google AdSense is your primary concern and you want to outperform others in terms of your AdSense earnings, so I am hoping this post will be very helpful to you. Google AdSense high CPC keywords 2023. Many of us blog for fun or as a way to earn some side money. But even if we can blog from anywhere, anyone is hoping to monetize their blogs by connecting Google AdSense. Additionally, there are a number of approaches to produce if we want to make good money for this blog site. Without a plan, you might not receive the desired or good outcomes from your blogging. By adopting a few simple strategies, you may use the Google AdSense platform from the comfort of your home to make a respectable monthly income. Type terms like high CPC keywords in Bangla, high CPC keywords, highest CPC keywords list, highest CPC keywords for YouTube, highest CPC keywords for the blog, etc. to search. For instance, if I run a Google AdSense ad campaign and receive 1000 clicks for a cost of $2000, my cost per click CPC is $1. Therefore, I will prefer to this as an average CPC of $1. The CPC is defined as one click on my ad at cost a $1. I hope you know comprehends that CPC is. All of our money from YouTube and blogging comes from Google AdSense. However, multiple businesses have provided Google with this advertising for Google AdSense. These advertisements can be seen on your YouTube or blogging channels. Through this advertisement, if a visitor hits one of the Google AdSense advertisement display on our website or YouTube, money will be made from the click. As a result, the ads fall under various CPCs or classifications. In other words, CPC, cost per click, also known as any niche or keyword. There are several online tools available, both free and paid, that you can use to accomplish this for you. Keyword search is all about assigning all the keywords you have identified and figuring out which one are most valuable to your SEO efforts. The historical data conversion rate of a given keyword volume, for example, is highly crucial information for a specific term that you can use to evaluate whether or not you want to employ it. What are high CPC keywords? Understanding PPC marketing can be challenging. The concept of bidding on keywords and paying per click confounds even people with experience in traditional advertising. It's crucial to understand which PPC campaigns produce high CPCs. You may improve your campaigns, cut cost, and increase ROI by realizing the value of these high CPC keywords. Long less competitive comprehensions are typical high CPC keywords. These keywords will need to be discovered through some trial and error and competitive research. This list of 100 plus AdSense high CPC keywords is also useful. Keywords with a high cost per click CPC are those due to their high demand and high click exposure they typically face the most competitive. CPC is based on how often people use that keyword in their search engine requires and how much they are ready to spend on an advertisement.